This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your pattern on your Samsung phone. So if you want to go ahead and disable this and delete it, it's very easy to do. Just swipe on down from the top and go to settings right here. Scroll on down and we want to go to where it says lock screen. So you can see screen lock type. Just go here. Then we got screen lock type on the top. Draw your pattern. Now we want to switch it to no security. Swipe. And this will remove it. Now you might have some other biometric stuff on too. You can delete that too if you want. You can go to biometrics and you can delete your fingerprints from here as well. So that's how you turn it off now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.